Did you know a child was reportedly left with a goose egg on her head after being caught in the middle of a TikTok star's explosive domestic dispute? Fans are absolutely reeling from the latest shocking details surrounding Taylor Frankie Paul's 2023 arrest for domestic violence. New body cam footage, exclusively obtained by TMZ, reveals the Harriman City Police making a frantic 3 a.m. call to Taylor's mother, Leanne, with grave concerns for her 5-year-old granddaughter. Officers had reviewed disturbing cell phone footage showing the young girl reportedly hit by a metal stool during a heated altercation between Taylor and her then-boyfriend, Dakota Mortensen. Despite Leanne initially stating her granddaughter seemed fine and was asleep, the officer urgently pressed for a thorough check, emphasizing that children's injuries aren't always immediately apparent. The police even admitted they would have called paramedics on the spot if they'd known the extent of the drama. But here's the bombshell revelation. The official police report later confirmed the girl was indeed struck and developed a goose egg on her head. This isn't just a behind-the-scenes peek. It's a dramatic twist that puts Taylor Frankie Paul's entire narrative under a harsh spotlight. For more exclusive celebrity deep dives and shocking revelations,
we've got
make
you
sure
covered.
to hit that subscribe button.
For more.